Hi guys, we just did our Amway shopping today. Let's check it out. Okay, our first product is our bestseller Amway dish drops. This is not just dish drops but also can be used to wash your veggie and fruits. It is safer choice, meets US EPA safer standards. Also BioQuest formula, which means that it is biodegradable, concentrated and dermatology tested. Many people suffer from contact dermatitis and rashes, allergic rashes on their hands when they use detergents. But when you use Amway products, it is so gentle and safe for your hands. Why? Because this does not contain harsh chemical ingredients like triclosan. It also contains aloe vera and shiso extract to provide hydration for your skin when you're using this. Moreover, this is super affordable because this can provide you up to 6 liters of cleaning solution. So it is very concentrated, lasts you very long. It is actually cheaper than brand X. This is our Amway Pursue Disinfectant Cleaner. In my clinic practice, I see a lot of skin cases, and I've seen especially toddlers who come with rashes at the back of their thighs, like eczema. And that is simply because they sit on the toilet bowl that has been cleaned with detergents that have harmful chemicals. But when you use Pursue, this not only cleans your toilet properly, but it's also gentle to the skin. This is Amway's concentrated laundry detergent. I use this for my kids' clothes. So you see that they're all huge bottles, all concentrated and last very, very long. Next is my usual Body Key meal replacement. Must have GNH antiperspirant spray. This is my usual Nutrilite cranberry fruit drink probiotic with inulin and FOS. This is very good for female health. So for vaginal health, urinary health, I highly recommend females to get this. Just take it once a day. I also got my deep hydrating sheet mask. Keep this in the fridge, and it's very nice to soothe your skin, to provide moisture, hydration, and especially after a hectic day, you just want to unwind and pamper your skin. Definitely pick this one out. Next, I got this mini glister toothpaste. This is all plant-based. I get this size for my travels. And finally, I'm extremely excited to try out this latest Artistry vegan makeup. So this is the foundation that I got. This is Artistry Glow Serum Foundation in SPF 35. Mine is in the shade Chestnut. I love sheer makeup. So this is for those who love light to medium coverage makeup, especially if you like something that is natural for daily use. I'll definitely do a video on this as well. I also got this waterproof pencil eyeliner, 2 of it, and it's in black and natural brown. This is the waterproof serum mascara, and these are all clean beauty. So they're cruelty-free, vegan, as well as free from more than 1,000 harmful ingredients that are in most non-clean beauty makeup. So for this month's promotion, they are having 50% off on all makeup brushes if you purchase more than 300 ringgit on Artistry products. So I got all 3: powder brush, foundation, as well as blusher brush. That's about it. And I just want to share with you one important thing. Even on the receipt, it's always written, Amway products shall not be exported, retailed at third-party e-commerce platforms, resold in public setting, nor used for cross-group sales. Which means that this clearly states you cannot sell Amway products on Shopee or Lazada or any other third-party e-commerce platforms. You can only buy from Amway shops if you become a member, or if you don't want to become a member, you have to buy from an Amway business owner like myself. Any Amway products that you buy that is not from these 2 sources can't be guaranteed on the authenticity and originality. Plus, if you buy Amway products from the right sources, you get 90 days money back guarantee on all Amway products. So if it doesn't suit you, you don't like it, or for whatever reason it is, return the products with the receipt and your money will be refunded, or you can get a credit note to exchange with other products. If you'd like to try out Amway products at member price, just click the link in my bio. You can become an Amway privileged customer just by 20 ringgit registration, and upon registration you get 20 ringgit voucher which you can redeem for your products with no minimum purchase. As an Amway privileged customer, which is APC, you are not building the business, you cannot sell products, it's just for personal consumption of products to buy at member price. So that is when you can walk into Amway shops to buy the products yourself, and you get to enjoy the member price just like me, or you can buy online on Amway website just by logging into your account. Also, do note that if you'd like to be an Amway privileged customer, you have to join an Amway business owner. An APC must join an ABO. You cannot randomly register online without an ABO number. If you'd like to be my APC, do contact me. I'll guide you on the registration as well as the products that you need.